This video is for educational and informational purposes only. It does not intend to glorify or endorse any actions. Viewers are encouraged to understand and follow their local laws and ethical standards.
The video begins inside a school office where a woman is engaged in a heated argument with the school staff. Her aggressive body language and raised voice indicate increasing tension. At this stage, school authorities have likely already attempted verbal resolution.
Hey! Stop! Stop! Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind
my back.
Get against the wall.
Against the wall. I can't breathe.
Stop.
Let's go. Let's go.
Stop.
Everybody stop. Let's go right now.
I need my knees. I understand.
Stop. No. Stop.
Shoot me. Kill me.
Stop. Stop.
Shoot me. I've been shot before. I've been shot before.
Stop. Stop.
You stop. I want you to live.
Get down. Stop. Put your hands behind your back.
Call for help. You need to.
I sleptwalk and I was shot.
Stop. Put your hands behind your back. 47 county.
I'm sorry.
47
You handcuff
county.
me, please. I can't eat. I can't breathe.
Taser deployed. Start someone code. Got one on the ground.
You can handcuff
1701
me.
Northwest 150th.
Please, I won't resist. Handcuff me.
Stop.
Please handcuff me.
As the altercation escalates, the woman allegedly makes physical contact with a school secretary, which can lead to legal consequences, such as assault charges. A police officer arrives and assesses the situation, issuing verbal commands to de-escalate the conflict. However, the woman refuses to comply despite multiple warnings, prompting the officer to use a taser as a controlled measure to prevent harm. She is then handcuffed and informed of her charges, following standard legal protocols. This case highlights the importance of conflict resolution, cooperation with authorities, and understanding legal rights to avoid escalation.